Li and Gao. Li was a foolish neighbour, but one day in the gambling house, Li won 300 yuan. Oh, what shall I do with my yuan? Where shall I hide them? Where shall I store them? A good idea. I'll store them in the ground. Li dug a hole and put the 300 yuan into the hole. He covered the hole and then got a piece of paper. He wrote on that scrap of paper and stuck it onto the ground. It read, 300 yuan are not buried here. He had a jealous neighbour called Gao. Gao knew that Li had won 300 yuan and was full of jealousy. He looked for where Li might have hidden them, and then he found that scrap of paper. He dug up the 300 yuan. He covered the hole. Then he found another scrap of paper and wrote on it and pressed it onto the ground. On it was written the words, Gao did not steal 300 yuan.